Well, it was an amazing experience. I got to know Marel solutions from some of our pens, and I saw this already implemented with some clients like Pilgrims, and this was amazing for us. For me, the first day, this is the best until now. Sure, you know, now our biggest plan is traceability. So we are looking for a solution from, like we say, from farm to fork. So this is something that I'm pretty sure that Marel can support us, and that's why we are here.
Well, there are many, of course. I think we touched upon a lot of interesting topics, but for me the absolute highlight is always just be with customers, have the conversations. I think we had excellent conversations over dinner, in the bar, during the KnowHow itself, a lot of discussions on how do we build the future as such together? How do we evolve your system, your current installs to the next level? So that was, for me, is always the real highlight, the talk with the people.
Today, traceability is a big thing for us. Security is a big thing for us, improving our security and stock control. And for the most part, it just gives us a visibility on what's going on in our plant.
Yeah, so the highlights from the KnowHow for me was when we were launching our new solutions on top of SmartBase, our new connectivity solutions, where we are moving into subscriptions, both for our software and as well as our service offerings. I think that's kind of the highlight, if I'm a little bit selfish, but also the customer testimonials that we were going to say and the customer stories they were telling us. I think those really stood out. So I think in general the feedback on the KnowHow was really good. The customers were excited, they were really happy about the event. Most of them said see you again next year, so I think that's a kind of great way to end it. But on a more specific note, I think on the kind of products that we were presenting, we were getting really good feedback how we are tackling different problems for them. Like for example with the maintenance teams, how we are now providing them with better solutions, how they can be both more independent, but also when they want Marel to step in, we can also offer those kind of proactive monitoring solutions and support them better.
So what I found really interesting was we had Stefan, our keynote speaker, who came along and was talking about digitization and the journey that companies need to go through. And he raised a valid point that we need to start with the problem. And I think that applies to a lot of things in life, but it definitely applies to that digital journey. So a lot of our customers are not sure where to start, how they go about going on the digitization journey and how they make it work for them. And I think that through the use of Marel Software and through the team that's available to them from us, we can help them start that journey, and it will always be start with the problem. What are we trying to fix? And then we can figure out how we fix it. Here at the KnowHow, it was fantastic to see our customers interacting with each other, and one of the great things that we got to see was Alistair from Pilgrims, a part of the JBS group, which is Marel's largest customer. He was explaining how using the software, they are reducing the need for labor through automation. And this has really helped them keep costs down as they move forward in a, again, challenging economic environment. But at the same time, we also got to hear from Francois down in South Africa, where perhaps labor is slightly cheaper than up in Europe. And he's using the software to optimize how they use that labor in order to get the most out of it.